Problem 11. If Ted's grandfather walked 4 miles per hour for the 3 days, every day she walks 2 miles, then it would be 2 over 4, multiply the 3 days, multiply 60 minutes per hour, that equals 90 minutes. And he actually jogged at a speed of 5 miles per hour the first day, so that's 2 over 5. And the second day, she walked at a rate of 3 miles per hour, so the time is 2 over 3. And the third day, he walked at a rate of 4 miles per hour, and the time should be 2 over 4. And we sum them up and multiply 60 minutes per hour, and that gives us 24 minutes plus 40 minutes plus 30 minutes. That equals 94 minutes. 94 subtract 90 equals 4 minutes. Therefore, he would have saved 4 minutes if he always walked at 4 miles per hour. Problem 12. Let's calculate the actual money that was spent. For the first pair, he spent $50, and the second one, he spent 50 multiply 1 subtract the 40% off, and the third pair is half price, so that's 50 multiply 50%. And without the discounts, he would have spent $150. And that simplify that we cancel the 50 in the denominator and numerator, and that gives us 1 plus 60% plus 50% divide 3, and we simplify that gives us 70%. That's the total amount of money he spent. So what he saved is 1 subtract 70% equals 13%. The answer is B. Problem 13. Let's assume the 10th digit is T and the units digit is U. So the original score would be 10 multiply T plus U. And subtract the reverse would be 10 multiply U plus T. So we simplify this, we get it's 9 multiply T subtract U. Therefore, the difference should be a multiple of 9, and within the answers, only A qualifies. If T is larger than U, then this is a positive number. If T is smaller than U, then this is a negative integer. Problem 14. Abby holds 1 green and 1 red jelly. So for the chance of green, it's 1 out of 2. And we multiply the chance of green of the jelly Bob holds. That's 1 out of the 4 jelly beans. And we add the chance of the red jelly bean. For Abby, it's 1 over 2, and multiply that of Bob. That's 2 red jelly beans out of the 4. So that would give us the probability of the colors that match. And we simplify this, we get 3 over 8. So the answer is C. Problem 15. Let's solve the three equations. First, 3 to the power of p equals 90. Subtract 3 to the power of 4, and that equals 9. Therefore, we know that p equals 2. And then from the second equation, we get 2 to the r equals 76. Subtract 44, and that's 32. And 32 is 2 to the power of 5. Therefore, r equals 5. And then from the third equation, 6 to s equals 1421. Subtract 125, and that equals 1296. 1296 is 6 to the power of 4. Therefore, s equals 4. Therefore, the product of PRS equals 2 times 5 times 4 equals 40. The answer is B.